All right, so I didn't even get your name. What's your name?
Bill.
Bill. Bill's here. He has an Eagle, heavy-duty Eagle, Toyota Camry, trying to find a lift. We're working on that. I'm showing him the new Carbon. You're really the first customer to sat on it, so far it does. Truthfully, how does it feel?
It feels okay.
It feels okay. Does it feel small?
A little bit.
How tall are you?
5'6",
Can I ask you what your weight is?
180.
So he's about, I'm a little bit taller on my license than he is. He's a little bit lighter than me. I'm 192, by the way. I weighed some goats. And so it feels okay. 5'6", 185. Do you think you can ride on this for 2 or 3 hours?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna let him get on the Carryon real quick. We're trying to find a way to get something in his car for his wife. Now he currently has. Watch how he's getting off of this. He's got a cane. This is a limited mobility scooter, but let's see how he does. Perfect. He didn't put his hands on the dash. We don't want you to put your hands on the tiller. And the reason why I'm showing the Carryon is we're trying to find a solution for them to go places to still travel airline. So the reason for this is we use leverage to get in the car. Comfort-wise, compared to the two, now this has a basket. This one doesn't. Which one feels better?
This one.
Okay. Well, I figured it would, but I wanted you to tell them.
Yeah.
So we're going to take this out to see if she can use leverage to get in the car. We're also going to let her see if she can pick this up because this is the new Carbon. Now you fold this down like so, and you come here, and it will lock into place like that, and this is what you pick up. So we'll serve some purposes. This one's more comfortable, but a little bit easier sometimes to get in the car because of the leverage. If she can, see if we can get this up. There's a handle there. I'll show you another way.
It's heavy, Judge.
Not too heavy. It's 30 pounds. See if you can grab it like that.
Right here?
Yep. You're right there.
Oh, yeah, that's much better.
Okay, much better. Now, I'm going to get you right back on here. I want you to do one thing for me. I'm going to get it out to your car. Get back on this.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, when you get this unit, you don't want to put a lot of weight on this tiller. If you needed some support to get up, he did very well. Hand it here in the middle and push up like this. Now, come on. I know this is going to be heavier in a way, but I want you to try one thing for me. You see, there's a little bit more to do, but it's very easy once you learn how. Just pick this. I want you just to pick this up to about that high.
Oh, yeah, that's...
Okay, so if she can do that, we're going to take it out to her car, see if she can put on the bumper of her car, see if she can slide it in by using some leverage and using her vehicle to hold some of the weight. But here's a really quick comparison of the two. Did we pay y'all to do this?
Yeah. No.
We're just trying to find a solution for them. Just like for y'all, if you're looking online, you have a power chair that's too heavy, your car can't support it. Sometimes this is a cheaper solution than a lift. This is priced around $31. This is priced around $21, so $1,000 difference between the two. And take
How about getting it out?
We'll try. Take it out. She got it in. She said, was it easy?
Very easy.
It was very easy, she said. Unbelievably easy. I told you, it's how it sells.
Yeah.
All right, so I just had a customer do the review, and I want to kind of come on here and compare these two units because they're two different manufacturers. This is the golden Carryon from CarryonUSA.com. It's a fold-down scooter. This is the Pride Carbon from Pride Mobility. It's also like a fold-up scooter, but non-power compared to the Solux Transformer 2, that's power fold, It's heavy to pick up. They did a good job with making this very light. It's carbon fiber. It's going to have its pluses and its minuses. Both of them will. I love the Carryon. There's a lot of reasons for it. I think for the price, you get so much more. But I do like this Carbon by Pride because of how easy it is to fold and how compact it is. So you need to really think about why you're buying a mobility scooter or why you're buying a travel scooter. If you're buying a travel scooter to go on a cruise, both of these are great fits. Both of these hold 300 pounds. Both of these have lithium batteries. This one has the 14-mile battery range with the TSA battery. This one has a 10-mile battery range. So 300 watt hours, 286 watt hours. Looking at the two, you know, if you're a little bit bigger, this one's, you're gonna like it better. It's more leg room. I feel like it's built well, but you do have to remove the seat. You do have to bring the tiller down. This one's gonna have a front basket. This one has armrests that flip back. They both have LED lights on the front. They both have them on the back. The display board is better on this. It's a color digital display board, which is really cool. And it has this little NFC key start, which is pretty neat. You know, you put this in your wallet, whatever. You know, you can feel a little bit more secure. Don't worry about flipping it too much. So that is neat. They did a good job. Let me show you really quick. Oh, the tires. The tires are about the same size. They're both kind of thick, nice, rubber, non-skid, not going to mark up your floors tires. You can get this in a lot of different colors. This one comes in one color. Now the seat, this seat is much better. It's, I think it's like 16 by 15 in depth. I'll measure that. I'll put it on the little page. This thing's super small. But what you have to do with this is you do have to remove the seat. The seat's 12 pounds. So you have an option of removing the battery right here. You can take this inside your house. Now to remove the battery on the Carbon, it's back here. There's a button you press and then pull it out. This is about 6 pounds. This is about 4 pounds. You have charging dock here. You have a charging spot here. I do like this little button you can press to see what your battery is. So that's neat. Little handle, I guess, if you need it. You can charge this mobility scooter from the tiller also. You don't have a charging station here. This is adjustable back to you in a way. This one's stationary like it is, but you can adjust the height of this up and down. Overall length, about 40 inches. Overall length on the Carryon, about 38. It looks longer. I guess these make it longer. Overall width on the Carryon is about 19 inches, and this one's like 17 or something. Yep, less than 18. Both of them are going to go through cruise ship doors. The thing that's different is you saw how the lady tried to pick it up. It's still a little heavy for her. She was able to easily put this in her car by using leverage. And so when I say leverage, this can stay on too, or you can take it off. Leverage is the key, and why this thing sells so much is because you can pick this up. You never have to pick up the whole scooter weight. This scooter's 47 pounds. This scooter is like 35 with the battery removed. So there's a difference in the weight. The Carbon is lighter, but it's the lifting of it. How you can lift. When you pick this up like this, you're really picking up like 24 pounds, but you can put this on the bumper of your car. This will rest on the bumper. Then you have the handle at the back to slide it in. You're basically teeter-tottering it in using leverage, using these wheels, rolling it in, rolling it out. It makes it extremely simple to load. And this is probably going to be better in the grass and different areas than this one. We're going to do some drive tests. We're going to be doing all types of tests on these two units. both of these units might not be the scooter for you, but if you are looking for a mobility scooter or you have questions, it's just give us a call, 803-926-2224, or visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. So to put this battery in, just so you know, it's like this has got to go here. So you're going to go like this. That locks it. To put the Carryon battery in, it's a little bit easier, I feel. You just go like this. Now, if we're going to come up here and look at the dash on this unit, now you see there's no basket. I don't know if you can add a basket. I don't think you can. We could figure something out. This is a little bit more flimsy than the Carryon. See, this is a little bit, you see that moving, where the Carryon is very compact, or very, very strong. Here's your digital dash though. Check this out. This is cool. So to get it to operate, you use that. Now on here you have your battery percentage, just a picture of the scooter, your miles per hour. This is the battery temperature. Now the temperature outside, you have 4-speed. You have a light. I'll show you the lights later. The lights are better, I think, on the Carryon. This is the light. Look at the front, Scott. Now check the back. Now I'm going to turn this around. I don't like the turning radius on this. So I'm coming here. So, I mean, it just feels like it's not there. I think it's like 52-inch turning radius. Now, let's go look over here at the Carryon real quick. If you look at the Carryon dash, come up here, Scott. It's simple. You know, this is your speed. This is your battery gauge. This is your light switch, and there's the front lights if you want to see it. And then this is the back. This is just a little, this is the kickstand. There's a little pocket back here, which, you know, we got a brochure back here or manual. It doesn't have that key or that digital dash. This can come back to you in a way, but we'll go turn it around over there and see if the difference in the turn. So turning radius is a lot better on this. A lot better, I think. I feel like you have a lot more foot room. I believe this is probably going to be about the same speed they say, but just so you know, if you're buying this unit and you're left-handed, let me know. I can flip this to the left side, so your operation is on the left when it comes to using this. I can also change the acceleration. I can change the max speed. I can change the mid speed, so I can do some different programming before I ship it to you. I can't really do that with this unit, but folding it up is nice. It is easy. You'll like this part of it if you're traveling, you didn't want to use it, but you need to roll it. You will like that. So there's a lot of stuff you're going to like about the Pride Go-Go Carbon. You're going to spend about $3,100, $3,200 on that unit. You're about $2,100 on this. That's up to you. I suggest maybe going into a local store and trying them out, but you can call me. I can tell you just about everything you need to know about both of these products. And I give you actually special deals. I'll give you a special deal on both of these. If you're watching this video, you just call me, ask for Chris Carpenter. I'm going to give you the best deal you're going to find online on both units. No one's going to beat my price on these two units. So just at least tell me you saw the YouTube video. I'll beat anyone's price, especially on this unit and on the GB120. But I also could do a lot more on the GB120. I got extended battery range. If you want it, just let me know. No one else offers the 15 amp hour battery anymore with this unit. They're going to give you the TSA battery, which if you're flying, get it. But if you're not flying and you want that extra 4-mile battery range, I have them. I can make this into the 18-mile battery range for you. No one else is going to do that. They're going to ship it directly to you. I'm going to ship both of these units from me to you. So we're going to be faster, and we're going to be able to keep up with stock. So we haven't overstocked on this yet. We just got a few in to see how it is. We keep this scooter stocked always. Give me a call, 803-926-2224.